In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sum cells, rows, columns in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to total up values in a range, an entire row, or a full column using the built-in sum function. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is just the quickest way to access your Google apps if you're not already signed in or don't have Sheets bookmarked. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher, the 9-dot menu that opens a panel of Google services. From that panel, click on Sheets to open Google Sheets. You can choose an existing spreadsheet from your recent files, or start a blank one if you want to practice. Either way works. What matters is that you're in a sheet with some numbers you want to add together. Now click the cell where you want the total to appear. This is your Results cell. Type sum to start the sum function. The function name isn't case sensitive, so sum works the same as sum. As you type, Google Sheets will suggest functions in a small drop-down. Click on Sum in the suggestions to confirm the function. Sheets will add an opening parenthesis for you, so you're ready to select what you want to add. Next, choose the data you want to include in the total. Click and drag across the cells you want to add, and you'll see the range appear inside the parentheses, like A2, A10. If you want to sum an entire column, click the column letter at the top. For a whole row, click the row number on the left. You can also select multiple separate ranges by holding Ctrl or Command while clicking, which inserts commas between ranges inside the function. Take a moment to make sure the highlighted selection matches what you intend to total. This helps avoid mistakes. When your selection looks right, press Enter. Your total appears immediately in the Results cell. If you ever change any of the numbers inside the selected range, the result updates automatically, so your totals stay accurate without any extra work. That's the whole process. Open Google, use the grid icon to launch Sheets, open your spreadsheet, click the cell for your result, type sum, choose the sum function, select the cells, rows, or columns you want to add, and press Enter. Keep an eye on the range shown in the formula so you're summing exactly what you expect. With this approach, you can quickly total sales, budgets, scores, or any set of numbers across cells, full rows, or entire columns with confidence.